Hey everybody, baby kittens, especially for cat lovers. I hope you like this cute video. Meet, meet, meet. A lot of baby kittens here. Meet, meet. They are very fast. Even they're still little but very fast cats. In the blink of the eye, they would catch a mouse without any problems. They do a lot of different things, as you can see. So adorable. Meet, meet. Wink, 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 quack, quack, quack. Please don't forget to comment. Tell me what do you think about baby kittens and of course cats. Maybe toilet paper is interesting for them. We'll see. Meet kittens, cats, baby cats. That's it for now. Bye.